Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your crypto holdings with Ledger. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by connecting your Ledger device to your computer. Ensure that you have the latest version of Ledger Live installed. Open Ledger Live on your computer. If prompted, enter your PIN code to unlock your device. Once unlocked, navigate to the Accounts tab in Ledger Live. Select the account that holds the cryptocurrency you wish to automate. Next, go to the Settings tab located in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, choose Accounts. Here, you'll find the option to enable automation features. Toggle on the automation feature for your selected account. Now, you can set specific parameters for automation. Decide on the frequency of the automation, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to automate during each cycle. Choose your preferred action for the automation, whether it's buying, selling, or swapping. Review the automation details for accuracy. Once satisfied, save the automation settings. Now, monitor your account to ensure that automation runs smoothly. You can adjust or disable automation anytime from the same settings menu. Lastly, stay informed about market conditions to make necessary adjustments to your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.